Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page in Canva to another project. This can be incredibly useful for those of you looking to streamline your design process or maintain consistency across multiple projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this straightforward process will make your design tasks more efficient. First, you'll want to begin by opening the file from which you want to copy a page. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire copying process. Make sure you are logged into Canva and navigating within your existing projects. Once you have the file open, take a moment to review the pages, ensuring you have the correct project in front of you. Next, let's change the view to grid format by clicking on the grid icon found within Canva's interface. This will allow you to have a more comprehensive view of the pages within your project. The grid view is especially handy when dealing with multiple pages as it provides a concise overview, making it easier to select exactly what you need. Now, here's where selection comes in. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while holding Shift. Click on the specific pages you wish to transfer. This step lets you choose more than one page at a time, a feature that enhances your efficiency, especially when dealing with larger projects. Feel free to click as many pages as you need to copy. Keep in mind, you're crafting the right selection for the next steps. Once you've selected the pages, it's time to copy them. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and the C key on your keyboard simultaneously. This is a standard shortcut that works much like copying text or images within any other application, and it's handy to quickly capture the selected design elements. With your pages now copied, the next step involves opening the new Canva design where you want these pages to be pasted. Navigate to another project by either selecting a new or existing design that you wish to incorporate these copied pages into. It's a seamless transition from one project to another, ensuring your workflow isn't interrupted. Finally, with the new project open, paste the pages you've copied by pressing Ctrl and V together. This action will drop your copy content into the new project, adhering to the layout you've already established. From here, you can make any necessary adjustments or continue designing as your pages are now successfully transferred. By following these steps, you've efficiently moved pages between Canva projects, which can save you valuable time and help maintain consistency within your designs. Remember, mastering these simple yet powerful tools in Canva can significantly elevate the quality and efficiency of your creative tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.